And hello, hello, hello. I am Shani Godwin, the founder and creator of Joy Economics, creating better ways to live, work, and play. And I'm also the CEO of Communique USA, a marketing communications and training firm based in the Atlanta, Georgia area. And I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. You know, I started Communique USA when I was 27 years old, and that was over 18 years ago. At the time, I had no clue that I would build an enterprise that would scale not only 6, but 7 figures using my talents, my gifts, and my personal stories. And so I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel where I'm going to be unpacking for you all of my tips, my secrets, and mind hacks so that you too can live a life you love, being authentically who God created you to be, and by using your gifts, your talents, and your stories to grow a brand that people connect to and love. And in the end, you'll be able to save more time, make way more money, and live a life that creates immense amounts of joy and happiness. So if you're ready for that, do me a favor and subscribe to this YouTube channel and come on in here. Class is in session.